Hi everybody, today we're doing an ocean science experiment. Are you ready, Brayden? Alright, so here's what you'll need. You'll need some vinegar, white vinegar, or you could use water for this. Some baby oil, any oil will do, olive oil, canola oil. I just thought that baby oil would be clear. Blue food coloring, a bottle or jar, and what are these?
Seashells.
Seashells. This is optional. You can do seashells, you can do marbles, you could do small toys, whatever you think would be in the ocean, you can add to your jar. And we're gonna make a wave bottle. Or an ocean bottle. It's gonna be really cool. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add about 1/3 of the jar with white vinegar. Okay, you ready, Brayden? You can help. That's good. So we have our vinegar in the jar. The next thing to do is make it ocean color. What color is the ocean?
Blue.
Blue. So I'm gonna let you squeeze some drops into the ocean. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do one more. Make it 5. Good job. Does that look pretty like the ocean? Yeah? Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is make sure that blue is mixed in there really well. Can you stir it?
Yes.
Beautiful ocean. Great job. The next thing we're gonna do, we wanted to put seashells in our ocean, right? You can drop those seashells right in our beautiful ocean. Ooh, splash. Great job. The next thing we're gonna add, we're gonna put our oil. Brayden, do you think the oil is going to float on the top? Or do you think it will sink to the bottom? Sink to the bottom, is that what you think? We'll see. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Wow, it does flow. Do you know what that means? No. That means that oil is lighter than water. That's why it floats. What do you think?
Stinky.
Stinky baby oil. Want to add a little bit more oil?
Ooh.
Ooh, cute. That sounds like a baby. We'll add a little bit more. This part is up to you guys, however much you want. Okay, that's our ocean. You want to put the lid on it? And we'll see what it does when we shake it up. Put it nice and tight. Alright, very good. So we're gonna flip-flop it and see what happens. We're gonna turn our ocean on the side. Wow. Is it still floating? What does that look like? Great. Very cool. Is it still floating?
Yes.
It doesn't even mix, right? That's because oil doesn't mix with water. It's always going to float because it's less dense than water. Does that cool? Very cool. Good job.
Before the shark comes.
Very pretty in the sun, right? So the first thing you'll need to do for the next project is have a grown-up help you set the oven to 250. So we already learned a little bit about starfish, which is that starfish, most of them have how many legs?
5.
5. And what kind of animals eat them?
Crabs, otters, and birds.
Yeah. And under their 5 legs, they have a bunch of tiny little legs that help them move. So now that we know a little bit about starfish, we're gonna make some starfish out of salt dough, right? So what we'll need for that is a mixing bowl, something to mix with, some flour, 2 cups flour, 1 cup of salt, and 1 cup cold water. You ready? Alright, first we're gonna put the cold water in the bowl. Wanna do it?
All of it?
All of it, yep. Great job. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of salt. Yep, so you're gonna pour it in here. Just as much to fill this.
Okay. How many?
All the way. It's got a lot of salt.
Whoa!
We might need to buy some more salt after this project. We still need more.
Still more what?
More salt.
Whoa, that's what. Do we need to do not all the salt in there?
No, we still have some. You want to pour that in there?
Yeah, all of it?
Great job.
I'm gonna mix it careful.
Yep, and then one more thing. Will you hold this nice and tight for me?
And they're gonna be real heavy. They're gonna pull it down.
We're gonna fill this whole thing like that. And one more.
One more. Oh.
Whoop.
It's gonna be a lot of starfish suits.
Great job. Now you ready to mix, 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 mix?
Yes.
Braden's a great mixer. Now this dough looks like it's edible and you can eat it, but you can't eat it. It will make you sick, right, Braden?
Yeah.
Got a lot of salt in there. Just gonna keep mixing it till it looks like white Play-Doh. You got it, you got it, you got it. Go Braden, go Braden, go Braden.
Is this enough?
Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll help you.
Yeah. sugar.
Salt.
So this looks like cookies.
It does look like it.
This looks like it. This is how you could make cookies. If you eat too much of this, we'll get a tummy ache.
If you eat any of it, it'll give you tummy ache.
If you eat any of it,
Yeah, it doesn't taste good.
because
Right, that's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna make the first little balls about this big, like the size of golf balls.
okay.
Excuse me. And then that's gonna be the dough that we're gonna use to make our starfish. different shapes and sizes, just like people. Right, Brayden? So when you have extra salt dough, you can actually freeze it and save it and pull it out later. although fresh is always easiest to work with. Now that we're done making our starfish, we have to put them in the oven at 250, and they're gonna bake for 2 hours. So until then, we're gonna relax. Then when they're done, they're gonna be nice and hard, so we can actually play with them. You ready? Here's the starfish. They came out of the oven, and they're nice and hard now. So this is something that's optional, but Brayden and I decided to paint our starfish. So we're gonna paint those and let them dry. You're doing a great job, Brayden.
Oh, yeah. Today we're going to learn about some saltwater.
Yes, and where is Saltwater?
It's at the beach.
At the beach. Do you know any animals that live in salt water?
Fishies,
Mm-hmm.
sharks,
Mm-hmm.
also dolphins and whales.
Yes, great job.
Fishes.
Yeah. So today we have 2 cups of water. Right now there's no salt in either of these waters, but we do have salt so we can see what happens to the water. And we have some eggs. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So Brayden, what do you think will happen if we put an egg in this water with no salt? Do you think it will sink or do you think it will float?
I would think it will sink.
Sink? Alright, let's see. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to it.
What about this one?
I think that one's good. So, can you gently drop an egg in there?
Yes.
As gently as you can. Were you right?
Yes, it sink.
It synced. Do you want to check the other one just in case? Sinks, right?
Mm-hmm.
You were right. So we're gonna take the eggs out. Then we're gonna add salt water to one of them. And we'll see what happens. Will you add a lot of salt to one of them?
I add a lot of salt.
Mm-hmm.
Should I do it this way?
This and I'm
Okay.
gonna dump it way over.
Oh, that's a lot of salt.
That is a lot of salt. Mix it up a little bit. keep fresh water. You want to put another egg in there, make sure it sinks still.
Yes.
Now, let's try the salt water.
Where's the egg in there? Oh, thank you.
It smells like the ocean. Very salty.
It burns my nose.
Let's see what happens. You want to do it?
Ugh. What?
Let's see if they can see it. So when the egg goes in really salty water, what happens?
It floats.
Wow. That's pretty cool. So fresh water, salt water.
Fresh water sinks and salt water floats
Yeah?
with the eggs.
So what do you think that means?
I don't
You
know.
don't know? What that means is the salt added to the water makes the water denser. And that means that it makes the egg, are you sleepy?
Yes.
That makes the egg weigh less than the water. So that makes it float.
Oh.
So if we were to swim in the ocean or the pool, which one do you think it would be easier to float in?
In the pool.
No, in the ocean, because the ocean is salt water.
Well, because the egg's floating. Well, how do I go underwater then more deeper?
We'd have to swim out into the ocean for you to float in the ocean.
Well, you could float in the pool, cause when you swim, it makes you. Cause if you swim all the way to the bottom, where you touch the bottom with your hands, that makes you push more higher to the top again.
That's true.
Cause that's what I does that.
But you could
I do
float
that.
in the ocean too.
Yes, I do know that cause the egg.
So what did this project teach you about salt water and fresh water?
It is you could float better in the salt water.
Is that pretty cool?
Mhm.
Does that make you want to go to the beach?
Yes.
Me too. High five.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hope you liked our video.
Have a good day.
Yeah.